Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this Mini today, and we have removed its old conventional CD unit. Here you can see this was the original unit in the car without any Bluetooth functions. So we have removed this unit from the car and installed this 9 inches Android screen with lots of different functions and styles, menus, different themes, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, backup camera functions, and pretty much this stuff. Here you can see this was the factory unit. After replacing the unit, here we have like this home menu. This is the app menu of the screen. In the app menu, we have different kind of applications, for example assistant, aux, Bluetooth, gallery, file manager, Chrome, this car link. I will show you later this car link option. I think my battery is not good. I need to start the car. So you can see here the lights or the meter that shifted above. So some of the lights are not that you can say that bright, like these fog lights or some other, but for example if I tap the direction, so this one is not that bright. I don't know why, but it's showing in the front cluster as well. Then we have this menu, home menu. In the home menu we go to like settings. Here is the CarLink application that is connected with the CarPlay. So here it is connecting with my phone, so we'll tap OK. So here are the applications that are working here or like appearing on the CarPlay menu. All are coming from my mobile phone. So first of all, we have the phone, music, maps, messages, like different kind of navigations we have. We have Google Maps. We can use Google Maps here like this. Then we have like the Waze. We can use the Waze as well. Then we have the Apple OEM map as well, which is here. So here we have the Apple map. So we will tap here. Then here we have the split screen menu. In the split screen menu we have like the half map and we have this Swedish radio application. So here is the CarPlay application that shows all the music and files like this. So you can see like my steering wheel buttons and the other things are working. The sensors are appearing on the screen as well, like the car has the sensors but not the backup camera. So we will go to the home menu. We can change this menu look as well, but this is not was not good. But the screen only has like 2 pre-installed, but we can install it from the store as well, different kind of menus. Unfortunately it's showing like Tesla, but we can change this one from the app menu as well, from the store. Then we have like different kind of applications. For example, we have original radio, we have Bluetooth, navigation, CarLink, Chrome, music player. You can listen any kind of music from your inbuilt storage or from the USB. You can insert a SIM card. You can use the video option functions as well. We can watch videos from here. Right now we don't have any video, but you can watch videos. You have like YouTube, Netflix, everything you can watch from here. We have like some car original settings and information. That's the video for today. See you next time with another car, another video. So if you have any questions, queries, you can ask me in the comments below. Thank you.